Hey everybody, this is Adam here in one of our 2018 Mercedes CLA 250s, and I'm here today just to show you how you can control your preset seat adjustments and also toggle if you and another person are sharing the vehicle, how you can toggle back and forth between the two just so it makes it more convenient for you. So what you'll do is first you'll find the seat setting that you like the best, so you can move it front, back, up, down, and then this will control the backrest, of course. When you find a spot that you like, if I'm going to set it as preset 1, what I'll do is I will click the M button, and then you're just going to tap the 1. So I'll tap it, and it'll make a sound, a little beeping sound. That's how I know it's set. So now if I move it forward, or even let's say your buddy has his set at preset 2, you click 2, you're gonna have to hold it in then and it'll take it to what it is set at. Once it's set there, let's say I wanna go back to mine, I hop in, I hold down on the 1 and it'll take it right to what I want. And that's how you do it.
PA's #1 Ford store, Twin Pine Ford.